Hello, hello. Greetings from Old 7 Mile Bridge in Marathon, Florida, down in the Florida Keys. I am biking down to Pigeon Key. So this is a 2.2 mile ride all along the ocean. Here, let me turn around so I can give you a view. Woo! I've got a lot of content coming for you guys about my trip the past couple of days in the Florida Keys, but I thought I'd go live and figure out how to do this live situation. I don't know how do lives automatically go to your profile, or do you have to add them? Someone let me know. I am TikTok illiterate, I guess. Anyways, what questions do you have about Marathon, Florida, Old 7 Mile Bridge, the Florida Keys, where I am, what I'm doing? This is Old 7 Mile Bridge in Marathon, Florida. So they just reopened it. I want to say last year, the beginning of the last year. And it's a 2.2 mile bike or walking trail. And at the end of it is a historic little island you can gain access to. And I was here on Sunday. Yeah, yesterday. But I walked it. And some amazing soul loaned me his bike at the hotel that I'm staying at. So I thought I would bike it tonight, catch the sunset. This has been on my bucket list for probably the past year. And I'm so happy to finally make it happen. But it's very peaceful, very calm. It's not as windy as it was. But it's about 2.5 hours from Miami, Florida. Thank you for sharing the sunset with me. And does anybody know if a live goes automatically to your profile or how that works on TikTok? I just got live. Hi from Sarasota. Hi from the Florida Keys. Look at this sunset. There are no sunsets like the sunsets in the Florida Keys. I saw some sharks yesterday. Maybe we'll see some today. But let me know if you have any questions about how to get here or anything Florida travel related, Miami. I'm just hanging out. Just hanging out. You want to see the other side? Okay, let me see if I can turn around. This bike has no brakes. Well, it's like you brake by going backwards. But that's where I started from. Way down there. It's about the whole bridge is about 2.2 miles, and then I left from the resort, so that was probably like another mile. Pretty crazy, right? How far is it away from Tightsville? I don't know where Tightsville is. You'll have to forgive me. I'm not a native Floridian. I'm a native Texan, but I got here as fast as I could. Titusville? Oh yeah, I don't know where that's at. What part? So this is Marathon, Florida, down on the Florida Keys. It's 2.5 hours from Miami. So how far are you from Miami, Ryland? If you guys come, I definitely recommend coming early on like a Sunday, or today is Monday. There's like no one. It's so nice. Like in the middle of Florida. Probably, well, I'm down in Marathon, Florida Keys. Google that. So probably, I'd say 6 to 8 hours away from you. This is like open ocean, guys. This is crazy. Yesterday I saw like 3 sharks, a stingray. It was gorgeous. This is like a historic island that we're going to. There's like a historical tour you can take, or you can just hang out and snorkel and relax. But they said like one of the first workers came in like 1912. And they were living here to connect like the railroad basically to the Keys. So yeah, and right now there's like 4 people that live on the island full time that like work for the like park here. Does anybody know if you do a live on TikTok, if it automatically saves to your profile? Rylan, if you're still here, you gotta just make the drive. It's pretty rad. Just get in the car. I was really grumpy when I left Miami at 4 o'clock in the morning. But as soon as I got here, it was all worth it. Thanks, Greg. Yes, this is Old 7 Mile Bridge. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This was on my bucket list for a really long time. You guys got to tell me, all you guys from Florida got to tell me where else I need to go next. More Florida bucket list stuff. I'm in Kentucky. Well, hello. Do you follow me, Greg? Or you just found me? Kind of crazy that we can just go live and connect with people all over the world. It's insane, really. Is it cold in Kentucky? I've never been. I've always wanted to go. The Indian River, that's really pretty. Well, it's hot as hell down here, Greg. Still need sunscreen. So yesterday, I was hanging out right there in that little thing. Here we're getting to Pigeon Key. And okay, so when you get down here to the island, you have to pay to get in, but it was like $15, and you can hang out from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I thought it was worth it, especially because there was no one. It was nice. I'm sure after this video there will be a lot of you. That's what they want, though, because they want to start doing a lot of do like more events and offer cool stuff. Like they have a train right now that takes you from the start to here at the end, but they want to have like more tours. They want to do shark feeding. So support them. Pay $15 and support them. Why not? Yep, so yesterday this was open when the park was open, and here's where I saw the shark. Let's see if there's any sharks today. Forgive me, because I'm on this bike, but it's not mine. Some amazing soul. So I don't know how lives work. If you just pick up where you were, like if someone joins and they pick up where you were, or if you watch from the beginning. But some amazing soul was just like, here, take my bike. All right, so yesterday, here's where I saw the shark. Indian River. Oh, I've been to Cocoa Beach. That was actually the first time I ever came to Florida. was in Cocoa Beach. I loved it. I had a great time. I got to see the Indian River. So here's where I saw the shark. Actually, I think I saw 2 sharks here yesterday, or it was the same shark. Sharks and a stingray. Oh, and you can see the old bridge. Rylan, do you know if after you go live, if you can save this to your profile or it automatically saves? Someone teach me how to TikTok. I really hope we see a shark. That would be so cool. Look at this, y'all. So this is the old bridge. And I think it was first connected like back in the 1900s. Of course, like this has been remodeled or reconstructed, but like the first time there was ever a bridge like this was like a long time ago. All right. I really think we're gonna see a shark, so let's hang out here for a while. Let's check the other side. I know we're gonna see a shark today. There's where we came from. All right, let me know if you see a shark. Shark hunting. Nothing. I'm really disappointed. Yesterday I saw 2 or 3 sharks. I can't remember. I know I saw a stingray also and a sea turtle. Today, nothing. But that sunset's pretty awesome. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much for joining.